Hi friends, welcome to TechPix Central YouTube channel. This is Oneplus 70 mobile. It's actually 11 months older. In this video, I'll do charging test on it and I'll let you know some points which I really liked in it. This is not a detailed review, but this is a long-term review with some advantages liked in it. Friends, it's my first video doing in English. After watching this video, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Okay, let's get started. From past few months I have been using this mobile roughly. This OnePlus 70 has 3800 mAh battery and it comes with 30 watt warp charger, which is a fastest charger for this decent battery backup. Okay, just take a look how it works. Yeah, it takes 1 hour 26 minutes to be charged. Sometimes it will take 1 hour 10 minutes or 1 hour 15 minutes like that. The good thing is it takes 1 hour to be charged up to 0 to 90%. But one thing I have noticed that for last 10% it will take 15 to 20 minutes to be charged. Okay, next, as I said before, I'll give some quick reviews on some advantages noticed in it. The first point I like in this mobile is OS. The Oxygen operating system is the major role of the OnePlus success story. The another reason that highlights this OS is haptic feedback. Its combination of this both gives a smoother experience to us. And the next point was camera department. The camera has as good as performance we expect for this segment, but the night mode feature gives a more than better pictures. And the detailing was really superb, as you can see on the display. This is the highlighting and noticeable feature in the camera. And in video department, it has a optical image stabilization and we can record up to 4K 60 FPS, and it's another good thing. And finally, OnePlus did a great innovation than now latest mobiles. And that's all for this video. And you all have doubt that why this video, it's an old mobile. Friends, it's just like a comparative video with now latest mobiles, and it's just an informative video.